Soft and fluffy chocolate Swiss roll that melts in your mouth. Start with 200 grams of eggs and 90 grams of sugar. Beat until the mixture becomes thick and fluffy. In another bowl, sift together 60 grams of all-purpose flour, 10 grams of cornstarch, 25 grams of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and stir again. Then mix 30 grams of oil, 30 grams of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of hot coffee. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg mixture. Add the milk mixture and fold until smooth. Pour into prepared pan and spread evenly. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, until springy. Remove from pan and peel parchment carefully. Roll the cake while it's still warm, then let it cool completely. Whip 250 grams of whipping cream with 20 grams of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla until fluffy. Spread the cream evenly. Roll tightly and chill before slicing. Refrigerate for about 1 hour before serving, so it sets perfectly and slices beautifully. And that's how you make this soft and fluffy chocolate Swiss roll. Soft, fluffy, rich chocolate flavor. It really melts in your mouth. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy homemade desserts. See you in the next bake!